Okay, first of all, I want to thank God. Dahil ang babaeng matagal ko nang pinagdarasal, ang babaeng laman ng panalangin at pangarap, will soon become my wife. Pares po kami nag-apply sa school ni Micaela, pares kami natanggap. Tapos doon nagsimula yung love story po namin.
Love is a funny thing.
Una tayong naging workmates hanggang sa naging magkaibigan. At hindi nagtagal, naging magkaibigan.
Giving with my whole heart as my heart receives your love. Oh, ain't it nice tonight we've got each other.
Hindi naging madali ang lahat. May mga araw na pagod tayo at hindi nagkakaintindihan. Siyempre, teacher things, tayo lang dalawa ang hindi nagkakaintindihan, pero nagkakaintindihan in that sense.
When you love someone, your heart beat so loud. When you love someone, your feet can't feel the ground.
Let's go back to the year 2020. It was during that time I constantly prayed na, Lord, ibigay niyo na po ang babaeng inilaan niyo po para sa akin. Yung babaeng may magandang kalooban, yung babaeng hindi ako sasaktan, at yung babaeng mamahalin ako ng buong buo.
To you, in love is a funny thing. It's looking like nothing and it's like an awakening.
Josea!
'Cause what I've been wishing for is happening. And this one, oh,
25 years na kami nagsasama pero hindi kami nag-aaway kahit. Bira lang. Talagang ganun ang buhay, anak. Ikaw magtutuloy ng buhay namin dalawa ng nanay mo. Nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo dahil naging mabuti kang anak sa amin.
when you love someone, your heart beat so loud. When you love someone, your feet can't feel the ground. Shining stars all seem to congregate around your face when you love someone. When you love someone, we're gonna give ourselves to love.
Today, before God and the people we love, I promise to love you with all my heart, to be your strength and joy, and to care for you for as long as I breathe. Sa aking dinalangin na ngayon magiging katuwang ko na habang buhay, Micaela, from the bottom of my heart, I love you so much, asawa ko. Micaela, thank you. Thank you sa pag-uunawa palagi, kahit minsan mahirap akong intindihin. Thank you sa pagtitiis na kahit ako ay minsang nagkulang.
Thank you, Papa.
Love
Thank you,
you.
Mama. Sa lahat ng ginawa niyo para sa akin. Nandito ako dahil sa inyo. Tutulong ako palagi sa inyo kahit umalis ako sa bahay, kay Rocha ako tumira. Yun lang, mahal na mahal ko kayo palagi.
Thank you.
This is real, this is good. Warms the inside just like it should. But most of all, it's built to last.
Tayo na yung magsisimula ng buhay natin. Alam ko na lagi mong sinasabi na kapag ka nagkaroon tayo ng sariling pamilya, gagawin mo yung lahat para maging masaya tayo. At yun, siguro, ipagpe-pray ko lang lagi kay Lord, nagabayan tayo. At ang mga magiging anak natin. Yun.
This is real, this is good. It warms the inside just like it should. But most of all, it's built to last. 'Cause you are the sun in my universe. Consider the best when we found the worst. And most of all, 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 it's built to last.
Bembangan na.
I've been singing in the shower, picking up flowers on my way home from
Tara na,
work.
boys!
There's something coming over me, and I think it might be that little four-letter word.
Paano to?